going to tell you the story about how we didn't make it to Yorkshire. Yesterday I left college at midday, we got back and we set out on a 140-mile drive up north. In no time we surpassed Stoke and Leek and were entering the Peak District towards Buxton and Sheffield. We were towing the trailer full of gear and you could really notice it on the steep inclines. Now the 80 has been built for 8 years and we dropped the gearbox in there and then.
What's that? Did we hit something?
I don't think so. The combination of towing and the ridiculously steep hills finished off the gearbox. With the suspected lay shaft broken, we were left with only third and fourth, meaning we were unable to get moving, let alone out of a valley. Now, I've never been in a recovery truck. Felt like an episode of Top Gear, although I'd much rather be in Yorkshire right now.